Wow, you got a big truck. So cool. You like the big trucks?
You can lay on there too. It's a little roll-out bed.
It's cute.
Oh, did you wrap up Damien's other gift? Careful.
I'm gonna give him his other ones. Mine as well.
Just
Well,
give
give
it to
him
him.
mine then too, so you can.
Give him mine. Here, Maddox. Here you go. I didn't wrap up the other one though. Whatever's yours there. Go ahead. Hey,
Here, Maddox.
Here, Damien, this is for you.
look it.
Merry Christmas. Santa Claus brought it for you.
Look it. I got you a sweater.
Oh, look, Maddox.
And I got you a cup. Look at that.
Oh, no way.
Oh, is that cool?
That's pretty cool.
I got that. That's his buddy.
So cool,
Spider-Man.
Maddox.
Open that, buddy. Go ahead.
He's like, I like this.
Yeah, he's already.
He's like, I like this. He's looking at the water down
I mean,
there.
open it.
Spider-Man.
Yeah, go ahead, open it. He's not gonna open it. There's nothing in there yet.
Drink, man. Well, at least he knows the drink.
Yeah,
At least he knows that.
Look.
Drinking.
Look it.
Oh,
I got him a little set. Look at your little set, buddy.
Cool.
Yeah.
Oh, so cool.
Spider-Man.
Everything.
I didn't think he'd be into Spider-Man so early.
I know, but
I know,
now
my
he
kid's
just
like
got
me.
into it. That's cool. Look at that.
Damien, I like your trucks.
Here goes Kitty. Lily, she knocked down the tree yet?
Yeah, no, Maddox
No.
did twice. Oh, she did.
Bag.
Precious, they catch us a crawl up in the damn tree.
Yeah, I did.
I turned up the heat.
More garbage. She could keep this bag.
Yeah, she did.
Yeah.
He got a little spider
Look,
cup.
and he got this.
Give him some eggnog.
And he got this.
Damien,
Yeah, Damien.
I'll open it. Open this one first.
That's
Open that one first. And I'll help you with that one.
Open that one.
Here,
He
baby.
wants to get that one out of there.
Here, baby.
Why aren't you carrying my baby?
Open that one.
There's a bag for you.
okay? Open that one and I'll open
Here. Here, Damien, open this one. This one's your present too. Oh, you got a cup too.
Oh, which one is that one though? What does that one? What does that have on it? Huh? Who's that? Thomas? That's Thomas the
They're both trying to drink already.
Those are so cute. I know. I was like, oh my god, he's cool. I had
Look at him.
to grab them
You want some eggnog in
to pay
there?
for them and everything. The girl forgot to scan them and give them to me, so they put them back up into the customer service. And I was trying to
Open it, Damien, open this one. This one's for you too. Open
Right
it.
here, look.
Rip it.
Rip it. I wonder what's in there.
Rip it. Rip it.
What is it?
Rip it. Wow.
It's awesome.
What do you say?
He says awesome. This is awesome.
Awesome.
See?
Did he say awesome?
Yeah.
Cool. What is that? Wow, look, there's on the cars.
It's a sleeping bag.
Oh, okay. It's a sleeping bag.
It's a sleeping bag for the little
Sleeping
nomad.
bag.
For the little nomad.
Oh, that is cute. Look at that.
Look it. And it's on
That's
wheels.
adorable.
That's cool. You take that
Look
wheel.
at that. That is
It's a little
adorable.
Lightning McQueen.
McQueen.
Here's a flashlight.
Yeah, that's your
Awesome card.
Yeah, there's a flashlight.
Look at. Oh, there's something else in
The
there.
flashlight.
Oh, look at. Yeah, you got the batteries. Yeah, flashlight too. It needs batteries.
Oh, that is so
Look
cute.
at-
Look at that.
It's a sleeping bag. See?
Cars.
Cool.
We
Look
would
at
have watched the
that.
movie right now, Maddox, but my brother screwed it up.
Cool. Look at that. Say
Oh, you got that on
awesome.
video?
Say awesome, dude.
Awesome, dude.
Damien, open up there.
Cool. That's cool. You like that? That's
I know, I
yours.
can't
I don't know if I should open this because it's going to be harder for you to carry it all.
Yeah.
You like
I
that?
don't think you should.
You like
Let's let
that?
him play with Maddox's toys.
Here, Damien, open up
That's
this
cool.
one. Here.
Damien.
Say thank you.
Say thank you.
He wants to open up his little thing too. Oh, his little dish set.
Aww.
Yeah, you should. And try to give him
That's cool. And then you put it right back in here and drag it back home. Carry it back home.
Damien's been spending the night a lot. LaDamien. LaDamien. Say thank you.
Here, buddy.
Oh, you're so sweet.